Hello, my name is Laurent Brody, and this is my edited reading writing lesson. Good morning, class. Today we're going to be doing a reading and writing assignment. So we're going to be reading from a book called The Phantom Tollbooth, and we're going to be reading from a scene where the main characters, Milo and his friends, are running away from all of these demons. But the thing about these demons is that each one represents some kind of bad thing, some kind of vice that you might encounter from day to day. So if we wrote a few examples of what a demon might be, we might have something like selfishness. That's a demon, right? It's a bad thing to be selfish. Or greed, that's another one. Can anybody give me some other examples of what demons might be?
Jealousy.
Jealousy, excellent. What else?
Evil.
Evil, excellent. Anything else?
Cruelty.
Cruelty, brilliant one. All right, so we've got all of these negative sort of character traits that may be represented by a demon. So we're gonna read a paragraph from this extract, and we're going to focus on the demon that it's describing, and then we're going to create a mind map of it. You guys remember a mind map? It's a way of visually organizing your ideas so that you can remember them for a written assignment. So could you provide us with our reading, please?
And most terrifying of all, directly behind, inching along like giant soft-shelled snails, with blazing eyes and wet, anxious mouths, came the gorgons of hate and malice, leaving a trail of slime behind them and moving much more quickly than you'd think.
Excellent. Thank you for that reading. That was great. So what is the demon that's being described here? The thing that's being represented?
Hate and malice.
Hate and malice. Excellent. And malice, that's a very, that's something that you guys might not know, but it's basically when you're really mean, when you want to hurt somebody or you're vicious. Now, let's put that in our central bubble, and this is going to form the center of our mind map. And we're going to draw bubbles coming off of it to represent the different ideas. You guys remember that. So what is being described here? When it says that they're inching along, that they're slimy, what is that?
Behavior.
Behavior, excellent. So we can put behavior down here in its own little bubble. And what else?
Appearance.
Appearance, excellent. And finally, for our third bubble, what might be a way of describing the effects of hate and malice? Why these things are bad?
Consequence.
Consequence, that's an excellent one. So we'll put that there. Consequences. All right, so now we've got a pretty good mind map. We've got hate and malice in the middle. This is sort of our central concept. And we've got behavior, and we've got appearance, and we've got consequences. So why this is a bad thing. So in order to convert this from a mind map into a written assignment, you would basically be writing different paragraphs. So the central topic would be hate and malice, and then you would have one paragraph about behavior, and one paragraph about appearance, and one paragraph about consequences, and then an opening paragraph to begin with and a closing paragraph to end. So we're also going to be using this software called MindMeister. You guys remember MindMeister from when we used it last time. It's a visual way of creating mind maps online. So if we were to convert what we've just done onto the software, we would begin with our central bubble, which is
Hate and malice.
hate and malice, excellent. And now I want to add some extra bubbles. So what I do is I click and I go to this little cross. It says add child. I've just added a child. So I'll put that one as behavior. And now I can add another one. That one's behavior. The first one is appearance. And then I can add one last one, consequences. And now say that I want to add some extra ones for the specific adjectives which are used. So for appearance, what's being described? What kind of adjectives?
Slimy.
Slimy. Excellent. And let's do another one.
Snails.
Snail. Excellent. They look like snails. And notice what I just did. I created a sibling for this bubble. And what I did, to do that, what I did is I pressed enter. So like that. And now I've got 3 extra bubbles coming off this bubble, which comes off this bubble. And what might go in our last bubble for their appearance?
Blazing eyes.
Blazing eyes. Now for behavior, what are they doing?
Inching along.
They're inching along. What else are they doing?
Leaving a trail of slime.
Leaving a trail of slime. And
moving faster than you think.
Moving faster than you would think. Excellent. So you guys get the idea, and what you're going to do today is you're going to split into pairs, and you're each going to work on a mind map for a demon that you create based on some sort of bad thing. Now, for the first 10 minutes, one of you is going to be directing the other. So you're going to have the idea, and you're going to describe the appearance and the behavior and the consequences, and the other person is going to have to put it into the software. For the next 10 minutes, you're going to swap, and now the other person will create their mind map. And you can use one of the ideas that we came up with here, or you can use a new one that you come up with. Does everybody understand?
Yes.
Excellent. Then we can begin.